What's up, guys? Welcome to another video, and today's gonna be a quick one. I'm just gonna show you how you replace your third brake light. So I got a warning light for the third brake light, so it kind of highlights in the bottom in the back of it, of the car logo, whatever. And I checked it before. The light works, but it's like low voltage. Like maybe one of the LEDs are bad, but I'll show it to you so you know what I'm talking about. So this is what we're dealing with. So you can tell a couple of the lights are not working. Like it's probably completely out. So eventually it's gonna die completely. So I went ahead and ordered a new one. So we're gonna put this sucker on and see how it turns out. So to get the third brake light off, I can show you with the new one I got. So there's tabs where it's supposed to be locked in these areas. The best way to get it is to pull it forward so it slides out. So when it slides out, so it goes in here when it's secure, and to pull it back you have to slide out until it goes completely off. That's where you're able to loose it. So you got to pull it forward. So with this, you're pulling it towards me. That's the way you get it out. Try to have both of them holding both of them at the same time, and then try to like pull it forward. Okay, so to get back here, you want to try get your fingers under here. You want to try get it on both sides. So when you get it under here, you get a good grip. I've been playing with it before, so it's kind of loose. But once you get it like here, you also want to get it on the other side as well. And then you pull it forward. I mean, you're not really pulling, but you're pushing it. So you're pushing it downwards, and it's supposed to snap out. And then once you do that, there's going to be a connector. I believe it's on the top left. Could either the top left or the top right. Usually when you get it out, you will see the wire, and you just disconnect that and it comes out, and you do everything in reverse. So I finally got it out, and this is the problem. This is what the point I was talking about. So I was holding it, squeezing it as hard as I can while I was pulling forward, and I still snapped it. So, and you can tell this one was on his way out, unless that's what it was supposed to be. Nope, it's on his way out. So it's kind of hard to try to keep your hand steady while you're going forward, but once you get it out, you're golden. You don't have to worry about it. If you're replacing it, great. If you like, you gotta put the old one back, yeah, you're kind of screwed. Now we're gonna put the new one in. We had to compare notes, pretty much identical, including the sensors. So the connector is on this side, connector is on that side. Oh, to get the connector off, there's a little tab that's pretty much wedged in. I don't know if you can see with this one. There's a little like black piece tab that's wedged in behind this that secures it. Don't use your finger, because I almost broke it and I just remember. Don't usually try to finger and kind of pry it open. These plastics are really brittle, so it bends, but like it'll bend to a point where it snaps. The best way you could do without using too much of your strength, get one of these tools, little pick tools. It tends to help me a lot when it comes to getting these suckers off. Once you get it off, pop, just pull this back, pops right out, easy peasy. Now let's put the new one back in. So when you're inside, you have to have it literally have the surface of it flat against the windshield, and then literally slide up. So you kind of, for me, I had to use my nails while I'm pressing it up against the windshield. I had my nails and kind of like slowly pull it back towards me, so secure all the way up in this side and this side. Naturally, when you do that, you're gonna hear like a little click. That's it. And that's it, guys. Now it's finally fixed. Lights is bright and clean. Again, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope it's useful for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video.